This video, we're going to integrate One Shopping Cart with WishList Member. So to get started, WishList Member, setup, integrations, payment providers, and then you'll see One Shopping Cart here. Just go ahead and click on that link. So there's a couple things to do here. So first thing we'll actually do is we'll grab this thank you URL/API notification, and we'll copy that, and we'll head over to One Shopping Cart, and we're going to go to My Account, API, and then API settings, and you'll see that there's a notification URL. We'll just paste that in, and we'll give it a description, and we'll hit save. Now you can do multiples of these, so if you have multiple sites that you're integrating and so forth, you can set up these different notification URLs and so forth. But that gets us sort of started so that when someone makes a purchase in One Shopping Cart, a notification will be sent to WishList Member. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to copy a couple things from One Shopping Cart. So actually the first thing that we need is our merchant ID. So this is 345513. I'll just remember that. I'll come over here and we'll type that into the box here. Okay, so that's the first thing. Next thing you'll notice is we need the API key. So we go back to One Shopping Cart, we'll see our API key here. We'll go ahead and copy that. We'll paste that into the API key area. Now this retry grace period, so it's the number of days between credit card charge attempts for recurring payments. So if we try to charge it and it doesn't go through, how many days before we do the next charge? So it's defaulted to 3. You can change that to whatever you want. Process upsells, if you have any upsells, if you want those to go ahead and be processed. Okay, so once we have that set up, we can hit save and close. And now the two systems can talk to one another. You also notice that this says you can set this. You ultimately want to set this thank you URL for each product that you create inside One Shopping Cart. So if we click on products over here, you'll notice that we have a level name and we have a SKU. And so actually we create the products here inside of One Shopping Cart. And we're just going to tie them to WishList Member with the SKU and the thank you URL. So if you have products already created, you'll see them listed here. Otherwise, you can simply create new, which is what we'll do here. So immediately, one of the first things you'll see on this page when it loads is the SKU here. So we'll go back to WishList Member, and we will copy that SKU, and we will paste that into the SKU area here. And then you can fill out the rest of this how you'd like, the name, fixed or take a payment, etc. All that can be however you want. The SKU is the main thing that lets WishList Member know that this product is tied to this membership level. Then we'll come back over to WishList Member and we'll go back to settings. We'll grab this thank you URL again, come to One Shopping Cart, and we'll go to links. And so you'll see destination URL, thank you URL. Just go ahead and paste that into both of those. These are the pages that they're essentially going to be taken to after they make a purchase, and you'll go ahead and drop those in there. The clear cart URL is a little different. That's a URL they'll go to if they add something cart and then they clear it. So you can kind of set that to whatever you'd like. So again, the big things are the links tab and also the SKU under the details tab, is setting those two things up. Once you have that, then when someone purchases this product, One Shopping Cart will send a notification with this SKU to WishList Member to authorize the account. And when the person makes a purchase and are redirected to the thank you page, they'll be taken to our register page. They'll be allowed to register, and everything will sort of work how it's supposed to. So that is what you need to do to integrate One Shopping Cart with WishList Member.